WHAS11 Weather Impact Forecast is sponsored by Tom Sondergeld Plumbing and West Shore Home.
Right after the first Saturday in May, we always look to the first Saturday and Sunday in June. That is Crusade weekend, so we're already looking ahead to that. And tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. So what do we have here? A cold front coming through again.
We do, yes.
And a lot of rain.
A lot of rain. Some much needed rain. I just hope we don't get it all in a too short of a period of time, because then we have to watch for any kind of localized flooding threats. But it looks like it's going to be 1 to 2 inches for most of us between tomorrow, primarily afternoon, evening, overnight. If you do live in southern Indiana, you could wake up to some rainfall early before the main wave arrives the second half of the day. But you'll notice here our rain chances the next 5 days. Certainly the highest Tuesday into Tuesday night. Wednesday we could have some lingering rain as the front starts to push off to the southeast. Thursday and Friday mostly dry, but Friday night we could see some scattered showers yet again into very early Saturday morning. In general, we're looking at a much more active, progressive weather pattern over the 7-day forecast here. So rainfall potential taking it through just noon tomorrow. You'll notice once again areas just north of the river do have some rain on this map. Now as we head into tomorrow afternoon, evening, you'll notice how this map really starts to fill in and we start to see more yellows, oranges and reds here. So that's when we could get the bulk of the 1 to 2 inches of rainfall totals across Kentuckiana. We could see isolated higher amounts with any kind of heavier showers or thunderstorms that do tend to roll in here or tend to train over the same areas. But as I mentioned, we're getting to the point where we really do need the rain. May is our rainiest month on average. April is our second rainiest month on average, and we just haven't gotten enough rain recently. So drought conditions have been ongoing, especially across the Commonwealth, and you're seeing it red here. Extreme drought in southern and western Kentucky, but along and south of the Parkway, still severe drought in place. Now, as I mentioned, if we get too much of that rainfall too quickly, we are under a marginal risk of excessive rainfall. Another way to look at that is a marginal risk for flash flooding. So we'll just have to watch that for urban areas or areas that don't tend to drain as well tomorrow. At the very least, we could expect some ponding on the roads tomorrow evening and overnight. So storms are ongoing off to our north and northwest. This is what you'll see here on the Futurecast around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning for our northernmost counties. This should continue to weaken as it tries to push down to the south. Models really like to keep this primarily north of Louisville. And then more rain starts to fill in tomorrow afternoon. That's kind of wave 1. We might get a break before the radar really fills in for the most part tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then tapers off to the southeast with the front. Showers and storms will try to reignite Wednesday, but it really looks like by that point it should be down to our south and southeast. So here's your 7-day forecast. Cooler behind the front in the lower 60s with lows in the 40s. Mostly dry really Thursday through Saturday before a wetter pattern looks to arrive for Mother's Day on Sunday.